Hi, welcome back to another video. This is Kaisar from Active SEO Feed. Today's video is related to WooCommerce, the most used plugins of WordPress for creating e-commerce website. So today I'll show you how you can create conditional shipping method based on customers order value. Maybe you are not clear. Let me make you clear. For example, you want to give the customers free shipping for those who make a purchase of 199 or more. Then you want to give them free shipping. If not, then the regular shipping will be applied. So how you can do that, I will show you in this tutorial. So let's check the website. This is a demo website I have created to show you. But if you want to make e-commerce website for your business, you can contact with me. My contact details will be available on the description of this video. So look here. Here is the offer actually. Shop 199 or more and enjoy free shipping. So maybe you can cover the shipping charge with your profit margin, or this is maybe your marketing policy for making the order value big. So how you can do that? Let's go to the dashboard of the website. This is the dashboard. Now obviously find WooCommerce, then go to settings. Here click shipping. Look, here is a shipping zone USA. Click edit. Here already there is a shipping method that is standard and it is a flat rate. The rate is maybe 14.99. Okay. Now I want to create another shipping method that will be free shipping. Okay. Select it, and free shipping requires, here you have to select the requirements for getting free shipping. So uh, you may be give them opportunity to use a coupon for enjoying free shipping. You may be give a minimum order amount. Okay, so in this case I will use a minimum order amount. Okay. um, Apply minimum order rules before coupon discount. It means suppose a product value is 300, but there is another promotional coupon, so the customer used the coupon and the order value decreased to 199 or something. Then he might not get the free shipping, or as per your business policy, if you want, if the user use coupon, then he also use free shipping, then you can check it. uh, this is actually like this. Suppose a product value value is 300, used a coupon and get discount to 150. Now the price will be 150. So do you want to provide free shipping this customer? Actually, it although the product value is $300 and as per the requirement he should get free shipping, but he has used a coupon and reduced his order value. So in this case you should think about your business policy and apply it. So if you click apply minimum order rule before coupon discount, then it will apply the minimum order rule before using the coupon. And if you check this, it will check the minimum order rule after coupon discount. Okay, so I am checking it, and minimum order value is 199. In this case, you may put anything as per your requirement. Now just click create. Okay, everything is done. Now go to the website. I will make two order actually to show you. One will be below 199. Okay, this product maybe add to cart, checkout. Now look here, the standard shipping method has been applied. Now just click place order. Okay, now I will make another purchase which will be greater than 199. Okay, I'm selecting this, checkout. Look here, there is option for free shipping which was unavailable for the previous purchase because the previous purchase value was less than 199. Okay, now select free shipping. Look, now click place order. In this way, you can apply free shipping as as per order value in your website. Okay, thank you for today. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel to get the update, and I will keep posting video almost every day. So just connected with me through subscribing my channel, and if you like this video, just hit the like button. Also, if you face any problem, you may write comments in this video. Thank you.